All right, class, today we're going to talk about how different materials can be combined based on their physical properties to create or improve objects. You've probably noticed that not all materials are the same. Some are hard, some are soft, some are flexible, and others are strong. But what happens when we put them together? We can use their physical properties to build things and make them better. Let's start by thinking about building a tower. If we wanted to build a really tall tower, what kind of materials would we need? First, we'd probably choose something strong like wood or plastic. These materials are great because they can support a lot of weight without breaking. We wouldn't want to use something soft like paper because it wouldn't hold up the tower very well. So, the physical property we're looking at here is strength. But let's say we want to make our tower even stronger. One way to do that is by combining materials. For example, we could take clay and sand. By themselves, clay might be too soft and sand might not stick together, but if we combine clay with sand, we get a material that's much stronger than either one alone. This is how bricks are made. When we combine materials with different physical properties like strength and flexibility, we can create something even better. Now let's talk about why it's important to choose the right materials for the job. Imagine we're building a bridge. We need the bridge to be strong but also flexible so it doesn't crack under pressure. That's why engineers often use steel. It's both strong and flexible. But if we use something like glass, the bridge might break because glass is not as flexible. By thinking about the physical properties of each material, we can decide which ones to use and why. Another fun example is Play-Doh. Play-Doh is soft and easy to shape, but if we wanted to make something that stays in place, we could mix in a stronger material like clay. This way, we could create something that is both easy to mold and strong enough to keep its shape. The physical properties of the materials help us make that decision. So to sum it up, the physical properties of materials, like strength, flexibility, and hardness, help us decide how to use them. When we combine different materials, we can take advantage of their properties to create objects that are even better. Whether we're building a tower, making a brick, or designing a bridge, it's all about understanding how these physical properties work together. Now let's try it ourselves. We'll work with different materials and combine them to see what we can create. Pay attention to how the physical properties of each material help us build stronger, better structures. Let's get started.